Good day, good evening, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing today? You're welcome to Financial Freedom with Mayowa Owolabi every Saturday, 7 p.m. And today, the internet has been really great. How are you doing? If you guys can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. How are you? How was your week? Are you a trader in the Forex market? How was your trading experience this week? Are you a crypto investor? Right now, a lot of bullish move right now in the market. Guys, I'm excited about everything. Grateful to God. As you join, please make sure you click on the share button to help other people see this because it's going to be an amazing time today. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm doing a broadcast myself right now. Liar today. Okay, let me be sure. Okay, we're back, and there's a lot to share today, but all the internet are really great. Please, if you can hear me, please comment. Comment. I can't. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Comment. I can't. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Can you comment so I will know you guys can hear me? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and good night wherever you're joining from. A happy weekend. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Freedom with Mayowa Owolabi. Guys, fantastic. Mena Elo said I can. Yes, fantastic. It's really amazing. It's really amazing what the internet is doing. Hmm. Okay, so let's get to work. I might not be able to go through all my slides today, but I want to engage with you guys. So we're going to be talking more about the cryptocurrency today. And what I have here basically is to share with you guys the power of cryptocurrency spot trading. I might have to review this next week, but let's talk about the possibilities of what we can achieve in cryptocurrency space. Okay, if you're already playing in the cryptocurrency space, can you type in seven? Let me be sure you guys already playing in the cryptocurrency space. I'm going to be doing the full training next week. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Gide. Fantastic. So please kindly click on the share button. Let's discuss. Let's discuss. Let's discuss. Cryptocurrency space. Okay. Let's discuss. Men at seven. Thank you so much. So let's discuss what we are looking out for in the market currently. Okay. Uh, I'll do my training next week, basically, so that there will be enough time. I'm not sure I'll be able to go through everything I want to go through today. So let's discuss about the market. What are we expecting in market? Um, yeah. So what asset are you holding? Tell me. What asset did you buy more? Tell me. Tell me what asset you bought more. How were you able to hold the 3 month cycle? One of the things that we share in the Midas Crypto Vault, the community where I'm privileged to be the founder, is that you need to understand the cycle of cryptocurrency. So in November, I begins to tell them to take some profit from the market because we have a potential reversal that could take a while. So from November, December, from December, the market started, and January, February, till the end of March. Okay. So I told you guys, for those who are in the Telegram group, that you should buy Bitcoin at 35, 37. Congratulations to those that bought currently. You should be over 20% right now. And that's amazing. Okay. One of the assets that we picked is SNX. XNX has delivered over 70% right now in the month of March. So what asset are you holding on to? What asset do you want us to discuss about? Tell me what's what your experience was when we're going through that instability in the market. Tell me, how were you able to do that? So share your experiences, ask your questions, so that today we'll do more of engagement. Then by next week, we'll retake the course. Okay, Barnabas, safe out and yes, fantastic. Good. So what asset are you holding? What asset do you have planned to add more to? Um, what asset do you have planned to add up? Okay. And if you are not holding any asset, type in none. Okay. Type in none, so we know. Type in I'm not holding any assets. No. Okay, BitShare. BitShare, fantastic. That's a good asset. It's been on the bullish move. It got a rejection at the monthly area of demand. So, and it started printing some nice algorithm. Okay, we went in on BitShare at a very low area. Yeah, BitShare is a good asset to add up to. I shared it on the I shared it before during the session. So I think BitShare, if BitShare can come back to 2 cents, if it can come back to 2 cents, I will personally load up more. But it took off from one cent there, one cent thereabout. Okay, so I think BitShare is a good one. Shiba, I'm still holding my Shiba. I'm still holding my Shiba. Shiba is a good asset to hold on to. Okay, Shiba is a very good asset to hold on to. So, part of what I wanted to share with you guys today is to add up, is to make sure you're staking all of these assets. Okay, and possibly do like 90 days. Do like 90 days so that after 90 days you take some profit. Okay. Hey, Madam Cynthia, how you doing? You're welcome on board. Okay, fantastic. Good to have you in the middle vault too. So you're holding Dots, Avalanche, Terra Luna, Solana. Let's do some technicals right. Let's do some technicals. Are you ready? Let's do some technicals right now. Okay. Click on the share button. Click on the share button. If you're watching on Facebook, click on the share button. If you're watching on YouTube, you want to also share, help somebody to share. Let me do that before we begin to do some TA right now. Fantastic. But put up. I'm excited. GLMR, yeah. I think GLMR will go very far. I think it will go very far. Okay. The fact that they have a good use case, they have a very huge dump the other time, but I feel they will do well. They will do well. So because of our time today, I might not be able to go through my training for you guys today, but let's go on technicals. Uh, let's start with Avalanche. Then let's start with Dots. Okay, so Dot retracement should start from $4. And somebody will say, will it really get to $4? Now, if you miss the right location, any other location, you should be taking profit and coming out of it. Now, I'm not here to prove to somebody that I'm an expert, because I know a lot of people are technical analysts. So I'm not here, I'm just sharing my view. Okay. And for those of my hardcore followers know that my view works. So so I'm just sharing my view. So it's not not trying to prove any technical expertise here, or your mentor said something. No, we're not proving. We just have a different bias. We could have different bias about a project. Okay, but Because the rule about the engagement when it comes to cryptocurrency is that if you get in on cryptocurrency on pre-launch or pre-sale or seed phase or IDO and all of that, it's better off for you than you can hold for a long time. But if you are coming in on the chart when the market is already on the chart, is already listed on exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, OKEx, all of these platforms. Now, what you need to do is to now trade. You can't hold it like somebody who is holding a pre-sale or an IDO project. Come on, guys. If you order that time, I do. Because a lot of time, what people now end up doing is that you've seen a chart, it has given you a monthly reversal, and you are still holding the assets because of fundamentals. You see, I want you to understand that in as much as fundamentals are powerful, one of the things that endorses you to exit the market is not fundamental. Fundamental does not give you exits. I know somebody will say, "Oh, what about if there's an issue, around the company and all of that?" Yeah, but it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. As a matter of fact, a lot of time when the issue comes, that is the right time to go buy. Okay. I remember when I told everyone to buy Ripple, um, beginning of last year. A lot of people were like, Ripple is in court, is in this, in that. I said, guys, this guy is extremely low, and all the TA here says we should buy. And for those that bought, Ripple shot up, gave us over 400% to 600%. So what we're talking about here is that whenever the market has moved from all the early phases and is now onto the chart, you want to make sure you are after taking profit. 30%, 50%, 100%, 200%, take some profit, because you don't want to be locked up in that, you know, horrible experiences. You don't want to be locked up in there. And I'm going to share another cheat code that you can use to know when to really come out of the market. Okay, so for me, there is no the major move where I can put chunk of money into Polkadot is when it comes to $4. However, we have a recent rejection at $16. Okay, and this is part of the asset I listed in the Midas Crypto Vault that people should buy. Okay, so why did we went in on this asset? We went in on this asset because we had a rejection on this zone. We had a rejection of this zone, and that approves this demand level. Okay, you can see this rally based rally. So that approves this demand zone. And immediately from that $16, right now, it has done $38. What about Mr. Maya? What about we that bought at, some people that don't have TA experience, they don't have technical analysis experience. Some people bought this high. I know one of the guys that joined our community bought Solana at the peak, bought Polkadot at 40 something, So right now you want to be able to allow this market come above your entry price, okay, before you go. So when you going into the market and you're going at the wrong location, that is wrong technical zone or level, you want to go and stake it. Go and look for available platform that are that enables staking. And a lot of them, you can go online there, and don't go to make sure you go for steady platform. Don't go for high yield. Okay, don't go for high yield. Just say how to stake dots. Let's say dot, for example. Okay, how to stake dots. So you see several platforms that will show you how to stake any asset that you have, how to stake Polkadot. So you can see how to stake Polkadot. You open this, you read through. Because if I tell you to stake on Binance, I tell you to stake on Celsius, I tell you there are several platforms. But you want to sit down and also know the percent, because return on APY differs a lot. APY differs a lot. So you want to be able to put it at a very good platform where you can get between like 15 to 30% or 45% return on investment, you know, per annum. Then you wait because you entered at the wrong time. So you have to stake it. Because I see a lot of time when people begin to see that the market keeps dropping, they want to sell off, you know. But guys, those who sell off when the market is dropping, they are not fit for battle. They are not fit to play the cryptocurrency space, because it means that you did not even do your findings. You didn't have reasons, maybe because you are in a single group, or you don't have reasons to. So which is why I always come here and educate you guys. And a lot of these videos are always in our community, so that you understand it. So you understand why we buy Polkadot. What is backing, what is Polkadot case study? With that, it allows me to know, okay, who are the founders or who are the team on Polkadot. Then I can hold on Polkadot no matter what happens. The same way some of you right here, somebody is saying, I'm holding Cardano. Cardano. Let's check what Cardano has. Cardano. Let's check what Cardano has. Fantastic. Cardano gave us a rejection and it closed above the rejection level in the month of March. So this should push up for a continuation, at least to 1.9. 1.9, between 1.9 and $2.50 before we take a huge decision. Now, why do I tell you guys about what's the each decision we're talking about? The huge decision is going to be dictated by the grandfather of the market, or the king of the market, which is Bitcoin. Okay, if you're in my last Bitcoin, if you have watched my last Bitcoin analysis, I told you guys that we're going to be looking at exiting a good chunk of our profit once Bitcoin gets to 55.60, because Bitcoin has printed some amazing rejection that you, as a smart trader, you need to be very wise so that you would not get it mixed up. So somewhere around 55, 56, 60, there's going to be, we need to wait for that decision. There's a huge decision that we're going to be waiting for. Woo! And I tell you, we have a change of trend here. So something is waiting here. Something is waiting here. However, if the market breaks above this 68, then we're on our way to 85. Between 80 and 85. Then from there, we expect a crash. A lot of time, personally, I don't like crash. But experience tells me that without a crash, there cannot be a new high. Type that down. Type that in the comment box. Without a crash, there cannot be a new high. There cannot be a new high without a crash. without a crash, there cannot be a new high. But we don't like it. An average trader or an investor does not like it. And it's not our fault. It's because we always want profit. But what I've noticed, having studied the Bitcoin movement, I realized that the market will always do a reversal. It went up again. It did a reversal. It went up again. It did a reversal. So that is the fact that's the main challenge that we have right now. The fact that that's broken this low, we're expecting a reversal for a very long time. Right now, GLMR is an amazing asset. I still saw it at $3 yesterday. But the push this morning was crazy. So what will make GLMR go to $100 is that it has to go up, come this low before it can give us $100. You can't get $100 without that. It must. So, but this season we don't like it. An average trader does not like this season, this waiting season. So what I tell people during this waiting season, stake. If you have bought before. If you have not bought before, wait. Ooh. If you have not bought before, you wait. If you have bought before, you stake. Or you go do some pool submission. Go contribute to some liquidity pool, yield farming, that can give us good return. There are some platforms that can give us as far as 45-46% yield farming. And you can use that to hold on trades, and you can enjoy trading because you don't. Yeah. You don't. Terra Luna is really delivering right now. It's really delivering right now. But guys, it's the rule of the game. You need to expect a huge crash. I don't like talking about it. Okay, especially when your asset has delivered 300%, 500%, 5,000%. Take some profit. Go spend some time with your family. Look at the movement on Terra Luna. Market went up from 13 cents. It went to 25 cents. Good. Everybody's happy. Then it came back to 4 cents. I don't like that. That's the waiting period, guys. So right now, from 4 cents, it went to $100 from 4 cents. And right now, it rejected to 50, 47, and from 47, it has gone to 120, 115 right now. And you still want this to keep growing? Come on, guys. Take some profit. Except you are holding for 10 years. Except you are holding for 10 years. If you're not holding for 10 years, take profit, guys. Take profit. And you can use that to back to bank in a lot of profit. Tell me, guys, any question today? Like I said, we're going to be doing our topic. We're taking this topic next week again because of our time. Today, the internet has been very great in this part of the world. I have like 4 of them, 2 different Wi-Fi's in the house, mobile internet, all of them. At the same time, they were struggling to connect, so, and in the office at home, I'm permitted to do it anyway. Talk to me, any question? Any asset you want me to analyze tonight? And if you are good, I want you guys to go visit the psychology of trading course, sorry. Pick the course. Pick the course. Yeah, pick the course. It's a free course. Enroll for it. Let me drop the link. Mana, you want me to analyze Mana? No. Let's check. Let's check Mana. Mana, $1. At $1 or at 7 cents. 70 cents, sorry. If Mana wants to go to 25, Mana needs to come to 70 cents. Because this guy can't go up forever. He has to come back. He has to come back. Okay? And in the rule of trading, you don't join the journey so that you will not be wrong. A lot of time people buy here now, then it goes up a bit without taking profit, then it drops. Then here it finally goes up. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful. I prefer Mana before I can add more position to Mana. It has to be minimum $1 or $70, 70 cents. Between that bracket, that will be my entry for Mana. Then if I go in on Mana at 70 cents, then I'm going to hold on to Mana till 25. This is it. Okay. You can see it. That's 25. But right now, Mana needs to come down. Mana needs to come down. He has to come down. If he doesn't come down, it's not worth our money. Make sense? Except you've bought already. But here is not a good location. Some of you don't like me when I don't talk about enter now, buy now. No. You buy at the best location. If not, you go and use your money to do other things. Don't because somebody said Mana is a good project, you go buy. If you buy because it's a good project, you will know when to exit and you will know how to leverage on it. Makes sense? Is that clear? Hello? So we'll be expecting mana at around 70 cents on $1. Then we hold on for $25. That is going to be massive. The same thing I've just shared now, go and do the same thing. Go and check when Bitcoin came to 4,000. When I told everybody to buy Bitcoin at 4,000, that was the same move I saw at 4,000. It got to 3,600, 4,000, and boom, went far. So I'm expecting a reversal, and the reversal on Bitcoin will make the market to dip, really deep. So please, I'll recommend my view. Once the market is approaching 55,000, 60,000, take some good profit, because there'll be a very long dip. Okay, there'll be a very long dip, and that'll be towards the end of the year, because this is March, this is April right now. April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah. So from September, August, September, you want to start taking out some profit. So there's still a long time. Okay, there's a long time. Can you analyze BitGets? BitGets. 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 Let's go. BitGet doesn't have data. BitGet does not have data. Okay, BitGet does not have data. It's already on a retracement. What's BitGet all about? What's this project all about? BitGet. BitGet. Let's go. That's Bryce. As a buyback mechanism. Is that BitGet? BitGet, that's Bryce. Is it a new project? Oh, this is an impressive move. Pull back, impressive move. Pull back, impressive move. Wow. I didn't join this guy. I didn't join this guy. Where is he listed? Gate.io. Okay. So what's the use case? BitGet is a crypto engineering organization who has built the fastest blockchain, which has a speed of 100,000 transactions per second. That's the use case. Fantastic, which is good. Net zero transaction fee. Another checklist. BitGet is the fast blockchain in 2022 and the fastest growing ecosystem projects signing NFT, blah, 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 blah. Okay. BitGet also has developed BRC. Okay. So it's more or less like a transactional asset. Okay. So let's go to the website. What do we have? Okay, you can stake it. So they are solving slowness. Their solution is to increase speed, which a lot of assets are already doing that, but they have a good use case, so they're good. So I think it's a good asset. The program is a secured asset keys, assets in this sense. So they're also going to be having a swap, they adapt, which They have staking platform. Okay. Staking platform developed to share revenue with investors and also BNB reward. Fantastic. So the BNB reward. EUT. Okay. December. Okay. This has made us for my checklist. Let's go check the community. Let's go check the community. What do they have? 108. God bless. So we can enjoy this guy. So let's get back to board. So right now, this is the first impulse. Okay? And whenever it is the first impulse, 80% of the time is going to come into the available demand. So I'm going to be expecting a pullback at this level. This is what I'm going to be expecting, a pullback at this level. Let's go to monthly, 3 month. Okay, so there should be a pullback here at this level. Then, because it's the first impulse, whenever there is no data, you want to wait for the market to pull back to 78.6 whenever there is no data. And it has met all the checklists. For example, this has met more than 6 of my checklists. The only thing I can't do right now is I want to be able to check their team. Okay. I want to be able to, I'm not seeing, I like platforms or systems to show for their team, which I can't find here. And that is some flag. That's a big flag, a big red flag there, but and they're already even creating physical presence. So why are they not adding their face to it? And you want to build this ask on this project before it goes to Binance. So what I see coming here is, look at their exchange. They even have an exchange. No. It's not. They don't have an exchange. You can buy from L Bank. I thought it's Bryce Exchange. Okay, guys. So wait for that. So when you buy, this is what I tell you about staking. They have a finance platform too. So if you buy from Gate.io, you buy from Gate.io, you can now move it to your decentralized. You move it, or you buy directly. Sorry, please buy directly. Don't buy from Gate.io. Just buy from PancakeSwap. So when you buy here, you come to the finance part to stake. You come to the finance part to stake. So when you stake for 3 months, 6 month maximum. Okay. So this is it. So you connect your wallet and you stake. So when you stake, you stake for 90 days. Why do I recommend 90 days? Is because if it's a massive profit, you can take some profit and go and use the money to do other business. Okay. Stake bright to earn BUSD reward plus 80% per annum. Jeez. It's cool. Okay. So if you do 30 days, they give you 6%. If you do 60 days, they give you 13%. If you do 90 days, they give you 20%. If you do 180 days, they give you 45%. So you might end up doing 180 days, guys. 180 days or you do 90 days. Okay? 180 days or you do 90 days. It's better off so that you can. So this will allow investors to hold money. Okay? They can hold. So right now, I will wait here or wait here, then buy here and wherever. After taking profit. So the first place we can hold it gets to be 1, 2, 3, maybe 10 cents. Maybe 10 cents. 1 cent, sorry. 1 cent. If you check any asset, they need to do the first pullback. If you are a person, okay. This is that. So I can't buy right now. That clear, Mr. Andrew. Wait for the pullback to this zone. Okay. If you're on my Telegram group, I'll put this analysis there. Or better still, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can remove it. If you're on YouTube, you can copy. But I think it's a good asset. Okay. Tell me. Is that clear? Andrew Jaja. Okay, so another question we have here is, do you recommend dollar cost average when buying your favorite token? Yes. Dollar cost average is the best to remain in a system. Dollar cost average is the best. Okay, so it's the best. Asset like BNB, Polkadot, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just keep having them forever, because they are crazy assets that can, in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. I see Bitcoin do 500,000 in the next 5 years. So this is why you have to, keep doing dollar cost average and move your asset to staking. Stake. Do decentralized staking. It's better. Yakubu, I want to share a little bit on Zen coin. Well, for me, I don't have any backing on Zen coin. Personally, it didn't meet my checklist. Wow. Personally, it didn't meet my checklist. I've got a couple of friends that are on Zenith. So let me see if I can get you. So I've got a couple of friends in Zenith, but it didn't meet my own criteria. It didn't meet my own criteria, so there was nothing I could do since I couldn't talk more about it. So, but why not? If not, Why not if not? Your line is breaking, sir. Hey, I never knew. I have to change the internet to another one. I've done that already. So can you also look at WEMP? Yeah, WEMP. WEMP is good. WEMP is good, but that is good does not mean you can buy now. Which is why I have a lot of issues with people buying when it is not right. Yeah, okay, I'm back. You know, WEMP is an empowerment system for women. But Andrew, why you like all this low token, low market cap? I see. So the question is, are you an advocate person? Are you somebody that fights for advocate or something? I don't know. But I think is a good one right now. I think it's a good one right now. Let me bring out my. Andrew. Oh, so yeah. So I said, why does Andrew like all these low market cap, assets? This one is WEMP, and I'll check WEMP. WEMP has. Let's check the website together. Let's check the website together. Let's check their Twitter for their community. I don't have time to go through the white paper, but let's just check if they meet some cool. Yeah, women, and women enter. So check. This is the face. Check. What are they bringing on board to support and empower women globally? Okay. Check the team. Who are the people behind it? Go on. Okay. Founder. Do your research about her. But at least they have a face And women are gullible. Sorry, is it gullible? Women are naturally nice. They will not rock pull us. But what do you think, guys? They have 9,000 followers. Not bad. So I have to use and they can and if they fall our hand, I'm not sure they will. Madam, can they? Madam Cynthia, can they fall our hand? Can you people fall our hand? I'm not sure. Let's go to let's check. Let's check. But from what I have here, is a very good time to buy if it meets all the conditions. If it meets all your checklists, all my checklists, I'm not sure women can fall around them. If they fall around, that means that rapture will soon happen. I'm just a crypto enthusiast. Yeah, same here, bro. Where are my ladies now? I'm asking them simple question. They are not answering us now. So for me, they were launched 7th of March and they drop. They drop. So for me, because they came this low, I can't buy them. They came this low, I can't buy right now. Because they came this low, I can't buy right now. So for me to buy, technically, they need to break this high. They need to break this high, then come back. So I'll be expecting something like this. I'll be expecting something like this. I'll be expecting something like this. Up outside it, then come back before I can buy. This is why you need to have an idea about technical analysis before you buy project. If not, a lot of people say, "Whoa, it's low. Let's buy now." It's not about being low. They need to prove to us that they are ready and they need to break this high. When they break this high, that is when I can talk about buy. But right now, it's not something I can put my money in right. Okay. Any other asset? Think I've we've done quite we've done quite. So analyze block cook. Okay, let's check block cook. Let's check block and cook. Let's check block block. Waiting for it to load up. Still not loading. It's taking time to load. Any other question? I could don't quite. Any other question? There are too many assets to check. Too many. So just make sure you are on top of your game. Create your checklist. Backtest your checklist. Whenever I see this and see this and see this, what happens? Okay. It's taking time. Go to my Discord group too. I go to my Telegram group. There is an asset that I shared for you guys to claim 20,000 of their tokens. Let me talk about it here. Okay. At least the past few of my checklists, and you guys can also partake. Are you excited about uh the that's it. So I posted it on my. They're doing a lot to be launched by June. So you can it's going to be launched by June. I don't know why it's taking time for the chart to load up. It's taking too much time for the chart to load. Okay, so um, I'll drop the link to be on the Telegram group. I'm really So that's the link. I'd like to bring this meeting to a close, guys. Which of the days of the week would you like me to come on live? We'll go on YouTube and we'll analyze projects together. Okay, maybe Wednesday. I could do Wednesday. Go to the Telegram group. There's this DeFi project that I posted today for free. Just go there and claim your yeah, claim it. Okay. That'll be all for today. I'm not enjoying the streaming. Then next week we'll do a recap of our topic today because of time. Okay, we couldn't do it as expected. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. I look forward to your success. My name remains Owolabi. Make sure you do what you love to do. Keep investing in knowledge and keep investing wisely. Okay? Can't see the link. Oh, really? That's Facebook audience. Let me go on Facebook. Let me go drop it for you. But can YouTube people see the link? YouTube audience? Can our YouTube audience see the link? Can our YouTube audience see the link? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. It's also on our Facebook group. I've posted it on Facebook. I've also posted it. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, guys, have a pleasant weekend. Enjoy your week. I look forward to your success. God bless you all. Bye for now, guys.